Replacing a door is more than just a home improvement project. It's an opportunity to enhance your home's style, energy efficiency, security, and functionality. For Dallas homeowners, choosing the perfect replacement door involves considering the unique climate, architectural styles, and lifestyle needs of the area. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you select the ideal door for your Dallas home. Understand your needs. The first step in choosing the perfect replacement door is understanding its primary purpose. Different doors serve different needs, so consider the following. Front door. Focus on aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency to make a strong first impression while protecting your home. Patio door. Look for options that provide ample natural light, easy access, and energy efficiency. Interior doors. Prioritize style and functionality to complement your home's design. Garage entry door. Emphasize durability and security for a practical and safe transition between your garage and home. Knowing the purpose of the door will help narrow down your options. Match your home's style. Dallas homes feature a variety of architectural styles, from traditional ranch houses to sleek modern builds. The replacement door you choose should complement your home's overall aesthetic. Traditional homes. Consider wood or fiberglass doors with classic paneling, decorative glass, or warm finishes. Modern homes. Opt for minimalist designs with clean lines, metal accents, or large glass panels for a contemporary look. Rustic or farmhouse style. Choose doors with a natural wood finish, barn door designs, or wrought iron details to enhance the charm of your home. Selecting a door that aligns with your home's design ensures a cohesive and polished appearance. Prioritize energy efficiency. Dallas experiences hot summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a top priority when selecting a replacement door. Energy-efficient doors help reduce heating and cooling costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. Look for doors with the following features. Insulated cores. Materials like fiberglass or steel often come with foam insulation for superior energy performance. Low E glass. For doors with glass inserts, low emissivity coatings reduce heat transfer and block UV rays. Weather stripping. Ensure the door has tight weather stripping to prevent drafts and maintain an airtight seal. An energy-efficient door can save you money on utility bills and enhance your home's sustainability. Choose the right material. The material of your replacement door affects its durability, maintenance requirements, and appearance. Here are some popular options for Dallas homes. Wood. Offers timeless beauty and natural warmth, but requires regular maintenance to protect against weathering. Fiberglass. Resembles wood but is more durable and resistant to warping, cracking, and moisture. It's a great option for Dallas's varying climate. Steel. Known for its strength and security, steel doors are low maintenance and energy efficient. However, they can be prone to dents if not handled carefully. Aluminum or glass. Perfect for patio doors, these materials provide a sleek, modern look and allow natural light to flood your space. Consider your priorities, whether it's aesthetics, durability, or low maintenance, when selecting a material. Evaluate security features. Your door is one of your home's primary security points, so it's essential to choose one that provides robust protection. Look for doors with solid construction. Materials like steel and fiberglass offer excellent security. Reinforced frames. Strong frames are just as important as the door itself. High-quality locks. Consider multi-point locking systems or smart locks for enhanced security. A secure door gives you peace of mind and protects your family and belongings. Consider natural light and ventilation. Doors with glass panels or sidelights can enhance your home's interior by letting in natural light. For Dallas homes, where bright, sunny days are common, this can create a welcoming and airy atmosphere. Full glass panels. Ideal for patio doors or modern designs. Decorative glass inserts. Add character to front doors while maintaining privacy. Ventilation options. Consider doors with built-in screens for ventilation without compromising security. Natural light not only brightens your home but also reduces reliance on artificial lighting. Think about maintenance. The Texas climate can be harsh on doors, so choose one that aligns with your maintenance preferences. Low maintenance materials. Fiberglass and steel require less upkeep compared to wood. Protective finishes. UV-resistant coatings and durable paint finishes can prolong your door's lifespan. Understanding the maintenance requirements of different materials will help you make a practical choice for your Dallas home. Set a budget. Replacement doors come in a wide range of prices, depending on the material, style, and features. Set a realistic budget that balances quality and affordability. Remember that investing in a high-quality door can save you money in the long run through improved energy efficiency and durability. Conclusion. Choosing the perfect replacement door for your Dallas home involves balancing aesthetics, functionality, and efficiency. By considering your home's style, energy needs, security requirements, and budget, you can find a door that enhances your property's beauty and performance. Consulting with a trusted door replacement professional in Dallas ensures you get expert advice and quality installation, maximizing the benefits of your new door. Start exploring your options today and transform your home with a door that meets your needs and elevates its appeal.